and Innovation as Career Opportunity. We'll be honored to host your seminar here. Thank you.
Thank you, Karpagam. Thank you, Karpagam. Good morning once again, all of you. Okay, shall we start?
Just introduction, sir.
Okay. Sir, you are able to see my screen? My screen is open now? Okay.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible. The screen is visible.
Thank you, sir. Dear friends, the topic is for entrepreneurship and innovations as a career opportunity. Really, this topic is very good for, particularly for the students. It is not only students, for applicable for all, overall for the young engineering graduate. Tomorrow they decided to become a good entrepreneur. Is what all for the characteristics of entrepreneur, what all for the good entrepreneur, how move to the businesses for the positive direction, and how can we make the profit, how can we choose the good product and everything, and what all for the innovations for the all the group of the engineers. This is for the topic. We have some PowerPoint presentations for the little bit, and again I explain for most of the things. See, normally the entrepreneurship, first we discuss for what all for the entrepreneurship, what is the types of the entrepreneurship. This entrepreneurship type is based on for the what all for the business volume and business value, and what all the business. Because you know, for the small shop vendor is also entrepreneur, and also for the big of the Reliance group is also for one kind of the entrepreneurs. It's made for the small business, scale-up business, large companies, and social entrepreneurs. This is the we define for the based on for the business. Small business means anything is for the limited people. Most probably this carrier is for the owner. Maybe sometimes for owner is fully working. Some cases owner is also for one of the employee. The owner also working for full time and make with 4 or 5 people. This is also one kind of the entrepreneur. Even we say for the small shop maker, 1 or 2 people, it is our entrepreneur. The scale of startup, next the small business to next version of the scalable startup. It means for the further expansion is always for the possible for the scale up business. Normally the business growth is increasing, and towards make for a profit is for the business is always for the volumetric. The volume and value is increasing. It means number of product or for the same product for the with the good volume and with the value. Then only you become for your scalable product, and your profit is increasing. Then third one is for the large companies, care for the large corporate, for the MNC, what are that manufacturer, service provider, everything is under category. Fourth one is for sometimes for this is not for profit oriented, but not only for that, maybe for the this product, this entrepreneur who leads their move to the social responsibilities for the social entrepreneur. For example, you know, for the path man of Tamil Nadu, India, for Arunachalam, is for the path man there for one kind of the social responsibility for the women's problem identified, they make it for the paths. Even for those days, lot of lagging of this information and lagging, and slowly for improving for the lot of product and easy reachable to all the cost of the product. This is one kind of for the social responsibility. This product this is not only for the profit as entrepreneur, also profit, but the product outcome is some cost. The cost is for kind social responsibilities. I mean the up to social, lot of even for some certain medicines, certain things. These all categories for social responsibilities. See, any kind of the entrepreneur, whether it is a small entrepreneur or big entrepreneur, what all the entrepreneur, even for the one small employee become entrepreneur. This is for the first fundamental norms is for the you find out for what all for the new business opportunity, because already people having a lot of people, they are already in the market, they are moving for a different product. It's a competitions large people mushrooming in one area. So wherever possible, we are joining for the new, find out for the new business opportunity. It means maybe for certain businesses already there, small changes, adding for some innovations, using for our engineering technologies, or for something find out. For example, those days, even for the 10 years before, nobody is believe the electric vehicle is one of the alternative process of the petrol and diesel. And today, for the EV charger is for the airports in India, it is slowly for around for the 5,400 vehicles as moving in Delhi only for all the government. Soon we expected for this market is for almost for all international. Next 10 years, most probably for 2030, mostly for the more than 70% of our vehicles are converted to electric vehicles. The advantages, for the fuel and emissions and everything, and also for the build for the green energy. This is one kind of the new technology. This technology not only advantages for the user and car manufacturer and government, and also for the various parts. The battery, replacement of the fuel engine, another engine to battery related, and then for the EV charging equipment, charging stations, is all for the engineering innovations. One word, electric vehicle, but the charging stations, booths, and everything for the accountability for the technology innovations. So the new people are concentrated for that area. I know for the most of the people, so far they are not for the entrepreneur. For EV charging station, so many people are starting for EV charging. Buy for own EV charging stations in the large mushrooming people crowding areas in Delhi metropolitan city. They are, of course, at present only for the government supported, only for the government, municipalities and corporations only launching for the station. But a lot of people are also the public and private people, individuals also interested to launch for the EV charging stations in towards for the most popularity in the future. So that's why for the any business, new business opportunities, it is straight away for acceptable manners, because existing product having a lot of competitions are there, lot of people also is there. You go and fight with the existing product and yield for the profit and running for the long way running is somewhat, I don't say it is risk, it is somewhat calculated risk, but it is somewhat, the area is yield is very minimal. But at the same time, for you are going for the new business, so what people are not doing, you're doing something. So your acceptance in the market is a high rate. Your growth is higher than comparatively for the existing one. The next one is for develop a new market for an existing product. Develop for new market. The product is existing product, same technology. You are aware that most of the family business, the grandfather is running a business, father is running business. The next third generation young guy is also running the business. But you find out some difference. The same product, everything is the same. The only for they're not changed for the product, they're not changed for the technology, but only the way of, for example, for the market, example for the customer satisfaction, example for the brand equity, brand innovations, promotions of the brand, lot of outlets. This is different. You know for the different days our childhood knows, we know for the Horlicks. What today is for the Horlicks. On Horlicks market is still somewhat for digging, that change for the boosting Horlicks, somewhat for sugarless Horlicks, slim Horlicks, diet Horlicks. The brand is the same. Most of the product is the same. Only the change for some names, they add something based on for the people behavior and perception and taste. It is changed day to day, year to year, circumstance to circumstance. Accordingly, the most, not only one of the examples is the Horlicks, lot of consumable products. You compare for our childhoods. Today the same product today is also available. The same brand, but different innovations, different something. So this is this category is for existing product. little bit for the change of the output or for the promotion existing. Another one is find a new supply of resources that would be enabled to the entrepreneur. The new supply source. Even certain products are there, it is not moved to all. It not reach top to down. That is one of the success for India. Why the other countries peoples are very much interested to India. For example, for the lot of mobile manufacturer, foreign mobiles. Why India is a big crowd market. It is for the and also most of the people their buying capacity is high. Particularly for Tamil Nadu, you find out for our city, most of the street is for the mobile phone shop, new shops. Why? You go for Dharmaburi, this you find out little bit. You go for again for in-depth for the Kadalur and some area little bit. But same for the metropolitan city like Trichy and Madurai and Coimbatore and Chennai, it is a buying capacity is high and people are mushrooming. So the crowding area. Same for India market is a huge market for the big states and the big crowd population. So other country peoples, particularly for other invented, they are interested for India market because for a consumption and for the demand is the high. So new source of the people. Everything is the same. The finding for the no source. And one of the role is for to produce the product for less money because today is this word is for the less money is for the I mean for the low capital or for the low running cost. Otherwise, today is business is for the big tough. The less money means for your selling product because of the tough competitions. So reasonable cost. The word is less money is you can change for the reasonable money, reasonable cost. Reasonable cost to investor and reasonable output and selling also for a reasonable cost, that kind of the markets. Use existing technology to produce a new market. Technology is existing. That's why you only for the new product you can change because the existing having for the 5 product they are manufacturing to the existing technology. Today you can use for the same technology, the scale up for the product. The product version is changed. For one biscuit company, the same, the raw material is the same. Only we added some ingredients, some formula is slightly changed. But what are the outputs? Britannia, how much brands they are manufacturing? Most of the thing is the raw material and the one particular up to the 60% of the process is there. Only finally add something the last 30 to 40% they add the ingredients according for the name of the biscuits they add. The raw material is the same, process is the same, everything is the same, even the market is the same, the customer is the same, the outlet is also same, but the different variety here also for the buyer perception. One particular biscuit is liking some customer, so other is not. So they say for the scale of product, it's for a new product rise. Use some word. Use existing technology to produce an old product in a new way. Product, they are not changed for the product. They are not changed for the technology. In new way. In new way means the new methodology for the automations. Why he required for the automation? The old technology using the old product is used. But in the market, they're not recognized based on because of the cost is high. Here they use for some automations. The automation is used, the cost will bring down around 30 to 40%. And also for the new way, the new method of for advertisements, new method of for outlets, and the new method of for the channel partners, new method of appointing for the dealer, distributor, and etc. The same product, it is for the old product cover with the new cover and sold to new customer. This is one hand of that. Because this role for the younger generation, second generation and third generation, people are doing for the same brand, same shop, same whole shop. Only little bit. For the Bajaj and everything for the basic policy is the same. But for the generation is change by change. Most of the each generation, accordingly they change. The concept is the same concept, only for the change for the wherever possible, according for the current innovation, technology, culture, people behavior, etc. The new technology to produce for new product. Here is for everything is a new. The entrepreneur I am choose for a new technology because so far this technology is not available, and also for I producing for using for this technology, and also for a new product. The product is a new technology is a new. For example, for last year 2018, I hope for all electrical engineers know this is one of the prestige and also very much proud we are in Tamil Nadu. One of the train 18 is manufactured at for the IIC of Chennai Perambalur. It is 100% for the indigenous train. It is a new concept. It is a new technology, new product. Because earlier for electric train, diesel train, and everything but this is for people say it's engineless. It's not engineless. It is for every coach having one propulsion of the motor. It is connected, so it is called for the no common engines. It is for both directions. A lot of advantages, automated door and everything. This is for one of the innovation of the Southern Railway. Particularly, this all 100% credit goes to ICF. The cost of the train is for the 100 crores. Totally for 18 months. Completely 100% until Chennai. So now this train is moved to Delhi to Varanasi, 9 hours journey. The maximum kilometer speed is for 160 kilometers. A lot of advantages, no vibrations, no sound, lot of advantages. This is new. This is innovations. This is again for the Southern Railway following for another trains because the cost is 100 crores per train. So this is purely new technology. And for not only for this train, the inside of the train using for a lot of products, the doors, toilets, biodialects, everything is a new product for inside. So the base is the change. Inside of the ingredients of the materials, components and everything, engineering also changed. So this is opportunity for some people, the make for the biodiversity, toilets and everything. So here for this is a broad how much role where for the entrepreneur start for the business existing new technology, old technology, old technology, new product, new technology, old product, new technology, new product, vice versa. This is the concept. This is one of the platform. The new entrepreneur move, this is the platform to where they have for opportunities. Because generally otherwise find out for no way, no end. So this is all for the upward. This is the sample. Even n number of creating a lot of things also there. But most of the thing is in line with this. Most of the entrepreneur activities are lies with this. See, particularly for the characteristics, this is 100% required for the all the entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship. Because otherwise, I am an entrepreneur, I am doing a business, but I have no for the quality. Finally, my product is failed. Even I have a superior product, I am manufactured, but due to I have some lack of marketing and lack of things. So finally, I want to achieve my goal, resulting. So my factory, my company is for a negative profit. Once 1 or 2 years, finally they close that. So that's why for always today started for the long years. What we discuss for the Horlicks and Tata Group and so many group for the year and year for 100 year, 150 year and everything. Because for the 6th generation, 7th generation going for the fundamental some entrepreneurship, leadership quality is maintained for the year by year. Persistence. Persistence is strong. So I mean, what the persistence means strong words, assets, purpose, people and profit. See, the passions, persistence, the purpose and people and profit. The purpose, any entrepreneur, they know what is my purpose of this company, why I am started, or why my grandfather is started, my father is started, what is the purpose of this? What is the purpose? For example, we are engineers, for the students and everything. It is with a purpose. I become an engineer. As a faculty, I become a very good faculty. I learn more, and what all I learn, I converted to my output my students, and all my students having a good career. These are all each college having for the very good colleges, good accreditations, first norm. So the purpose. The purpose is the fundamental. Every human being, entrepreneur, company, everybody's purpose is the important one. So here, what is the purpose? What my company is achieving? What are all the product? What is the quality? Or core all the people are using? What is my safety norms? Whether I am producing my product as per saturated regulatory norms, whether I am producing my product for 100% safety norms, whether I am using my product is completely for the non-anti-social, everything is for as per legal requirements, legal products, everybody is acceptable products. And finally, this is anything is a benefit for my employee who are all working in my company. It is anything is important for their career, their growth. The company is day by day increasing the positive direction and positive profit direction. This is the purpose of the company. It may, this word is something people are changing for the mission, okay, no, anything you can do it, no problem. Then next is for the people. People here is for the entrepreneur. The employee is one of the people, and also for the user outside. Your product, where it is going for outside, your dealer, distributor, end customer, everything, end user, everything is appropriate. So your action is always more positive to the interest of the people. People, user, and also working people also one of the partner. Your employee is one of the direct partner with you. Your end customer is hidden. Nobody, you don't know the name, you know the face, but they are also for one of the hidden partner of your organizations. So this thinking is for always in a positive manner in every entrepreneur. Then only for a moves for the positive direction. You can interested for your employee. They are very much interested to produce for the good product, good quality product. You are interested for your user, then automatically you making all the products as per the quality norms, as per the reasonable cost. So buyer, I mean the people are buying for your product happily, and also they are for enjoying. The next is for the profit. Sorry, okay? Are you able to hear? Shall we continue? Hello? Hello? Any problem? Shall we
Sir,
continue?
yes, sir. Yes. Continue, sir. Continue.
Okay. Next one is for the profit. It's very, very important for this. Very, very important for even though for all the four is very good. The entrepreneur. The entrepreneur always interested for the profit. The profit is the fundamental because they lose the profit. Above all the four is slowly people are affected. What are all your purpose also affected? Even though you know patience, you know the persistence, everything. But for the finally you have the no profit. Your organization is digging for the profit. It is for the adverse effect day by day, day by day. You can't run the people. You can't run the factory. You can't interested for your people. You can't interested for your customer. Everything is spoiled. So that's why for the profit is the fundamental importance for the. But how much your profit is, that is you, the entrepreneur decide. But it is not for the negative profit, always the positive profit. The positive profit, how much earning you are getting for the 10% or 30%, that's up to for the entrepreneurship according for the product and volume and value and etc. But the profit is the very good important for the all the entrepreneurship, all the entrepreneur, all the factors. Okay. After entrepreneurs, everything you choose, everything product. See, we discussed what this is mostly connected for the engineers. So engineers is always meaning for the innovation. So the one kind of the innovation is just before the slide I explained for the train 18. Train 18 is the one of the innovation. Innovation is the anything is a new. Innovation is the development of application of idea. It is a creativity. Anything. It is not for the big innovation. Is not like that. For small, for electric vehicle is one of the innovation. EV charger is one of the innovation. Today, for the laptop, for the battery management system, change of the lead acid battery to another batteries. That is one kind of the innovation. Lot of things. We are not believe for the solar cells, but today is a solar cell is for the predominantly not only for those days is for the just for the solar heater and solar water heater. Today for this generation 1 megawatt, 3 megawatt powers, rooftop powers, self-driven powers. Even no doubt, year by year, the cost of the solar cell is come down for even for the energy KWH also. We are getting for a benefited comparatively today's based on for the large productions. So innovation is for the technology innovation, not for the limited one. It is for the big wide area, global things. It is based on for the application usage, not only for the product. It is for the service factor. Just you think about for nobody knows for the last 10 years before for the Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, nothing. We are not at all even think over. Today, what is the Amazon market? What is the Flipkart? What they are doing? What is the Swiggy market? How the people are using? Because these people are there, pulse with our people. The behavior is changed day by day. That's why, for according for the people's behavior, these products are launched. So that's why for very important the observations where the people moves are there. People, after 10 years, what the people's mind is there because everybody is busy. Why for the Swiggy? They are calculated because nobody is time to move to hotel. Their time is only for get that. Just a minute. Hello. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Is it, sir? Some research coverage will be better. நாளை வந்துருவாங்க சார். நாளைக்கு இல்லை, இது ஒரு இது கூட போயிருக்காங்க. அவர் வந்து இல்லை சார், நான் கீழே தான் சொல்லிட்டேன். இவர் மேனேஜர், டெக்னிக்கல் மேனேஜர் எல்லாம் அவங்க எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணேன். நீங்கள் வைக்கணும் கிடையாது, மேனேஜர் தான் நம்ம எல்லாம் தான் பண்ணியாகணும். நமக்குலாம் வந்து டெக்னிக்கல் தான் அப்படின்னு கிளீனி நான் கலராக எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். சொல்லி அம்மா எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க. நம்ம உங்களுக்கு க்ரோத் கொண்டு போய் நம்ம தான் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். எப்படி அந்த டீம் மற்ற இருக்கிற இன்வாய்ஸ் நம்ம தான் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்போர்ட். சொல்லலாம் பைக்லாம் போயிட்டு இருக்காரு சார். நம்ம சொல்லிடலாம் சார், பைக்லாம் போயிட்டு தான் இருக்காரு. என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் பார்த்துக்கணும், நான் கிளியரா சொல்லிட்டேன் சார். கண்டிப்பா அதெல்லாம் செக் பண்ணிடலாம் சார். பிடிச்சிடலாம். பைக்ல போறாரு சார். சம்திங் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். பண்ணிடலாம் சார். எனக்கு ஒன் வீக் டைம் கொடுங்க சார். இது போட்டாச்சு சார், விசிட் போட்டாச்சு. நாளைக்கு வர்றாங்க சார். ஏன்னா வாங்கிடுறேன் சார். நாளைக்கு உங்களுக்கு ரிப்போர்ட் சார். ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ஆஃப் ஹவர். எஸ் சார். பண்ணிடுறேன் சார். எஸ் எஸ் சார். இதுதான் இது பண்ண சொன்னா போட்டாச்சு. மத்தியானம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி நாளைக்கு போட்டாச்சு. அதுக்கு இப்போ எலிஜிபிள் பண்ணியாச்சு சார். அதுக்கு இப்போ சொல்லியாச்சு சார். எலிஜிபிள் ப்ராஃபிட் வந்து பிசினஸ் அமௌண்ட் போட்டோம். எல்லாத்துக்கும் போட்டாச்சு. நான் பண்ணிடலாம். ரெடி சார். நாளைக்கு அது பண்ணிடலாம். பண்ணிடலாம். இல்லை இல்லை சார், நம்ம 3 o'clock பார்க்கலாம். டாக்டர் நான் ஜஸ்ட் ஆகணும். பண்ணிடலாம். Very sorry, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir. Proceed. Please proceed.
I'm sorry, very sorry.
Please proceed.
So the innovation is for the development and application of ideas that improve the way things are done, new creation, new product, new process or service within the aim of efficiency. I mean, the aim of efficiency means the word is efficiency included for the profit, included for the organization growth and everything. Because even though innovation, everything is there, the finally I am not achieving for the efficiency, I am not achieving for the growth, I am not achieving for the profit, I am not achieving for the safety, everything is there. So it is for the negative innovations. So no meaning. So that's why for any creation, any idea, anything whether it is small or big, you find it towards lead to for the growth oriented, profit oriented, efficiency oriented, any one of things, or for a safety oriented, or for any user friendly, anything, any one of thing is always very positive one. No innovation leads to for the negative one. It is not a good innovations. It is not a good innovation by for professional engineers. For example of the innovation, electric vehicle introduced in the car market also is one kind of innovation. Engine train 18 is also one kind of the innovation. And also for the battery, for the those days is the battery is the big battery. Today is for the battery is how much. I mean, we are speaking only for the engineering products. The another one is for those days is for the motor. The size of the motor is very big and also very noisy. Even for the small kilowatt of the motor is big noisy. Even today is a big motor, it is running smooth. Even for the generation